Hello everybody, my name is Ding. Today, I'm going to tell you my wonderful memory, a story of my first impression about my best friend. I was in grade 6 at the age of 12, and it's the first day at my secondary school. I had a seat in front of a girl who was very special. She had short hair, and she looked pretty serious and quiet anyway. However, I decided to make friends with her. I asked her, "Hello, I'm Ding, what's your name?" But she just gave me a short answer only. "I'm Deng." So soft. But do you know what I care about? That's her name, Deng. It sounds like a boy name, right? And I thought that she is just a boy. But I was wrong. When we got closer and closer, I saw that she is more active, friendly, and enthusiastic than I had expected. She's really nice to me. We help each other. We often study or work together. We also have many the same hobbies. We got many wonderful moments from then to now. She's my best friend. Now, I'm showing you some pictures of us. They are our happy times when we were together. So, in my opinion, we shouldn't judge someone by our first impression. It's not true at all. Well, that's a story of mine. I hope you like it. Thanks for your listening and goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.